Hey Baes, it's Rissa May, and today I went college shopping. So behind me, I have everything that I bought today, plus something that I got for Christmas. So I'm just gonna go through everything that I got. So let's get into it. So the first thing, I didn't get this today. I got this for Christmas from my dad as a gag gift because I said, no, I'm old enough to get adult things like toasters for Christmas and my birthday, right? And so, got a toaster. I got 2 of these cute little baskets. They have little handles, and I'm guessing these come up. Yeah. But these are for in my closet. There's a little shelf. So these are gonna hold like extra clothes or anything like that. Just, it's extra storage. The next thing I got is a little drawer organizer thing. This is gonna hold my pencils, my pens, scissors, tape, staplers, things like that for my desk so that my desk is more organized. This is a shower caddy. I'm gonna turn it into a shower caddy. First, I'm gonna drill a bunch of holes in it. I'm the kind of person, like, you can keep your stuff in the shower, but I'm the kind of person that is like, with stuff like shampoo and conditioner, I'm like, if I buy it, don't touch it because like I bought it, you know, so it's mine. It's not something like a camera or something where you can be like, oh yeah, you can borrow it and like just bring it back to me. Like, cameras last forever, shampoo and conditioner don't. So I really wanted something that I could carry into the shower with me and then carry back into my room so that nobody would use my products. And then I got a batch of silverware. Super exciting, isn't it? Super fun. Next, I have my dinnerware set. So this has 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 bowls. So there you go. Kitchen towels. And if you couldn't tell what colors I decided to go with for my whole theme, it's white, gray, and I want to do one accent color, but I haven't really decided on an accent color yet. So I got a can opener. This is just a super basic one. I'm not in a cooking apartment. I'm in a dorm, which means that it's just a kitchenette. So all it has is a sink, a fridge, and a microwave, and countertop space. So I had to think very basic of what I would need, no pots or pans or anything like that. So all of my stuff is very, very basic. If you're having a cooking apartment, I would look for stuff that's more better quality, or like you'll need pots and pans or better plates or bowls or something. But this is what I got because I'm not in a cooking apartment. So, and I got 1 mixing spoon because again, I'm not in a cooking apartment. And then I have chip bag clips. Because again, I'm not in a cooking apartment, and so I'll be living out of stuff that comes out of bags. So I got washcloths for cleaning and things. And these are flour sack towels that I will use for drying my dishes because I don't have a dishwasher, and so I'll have to wash my own dishes by hand and dry them by hand. So that's what these are for. And then this is my first knife. This is my serrated knife because my mom said I would need a serrated knife. So there's a serrated knife. I got 4 cups because I'm the only one that's going to be using my set of everything, and so I won't need that much. I only got 4 cups, and these are 10 fluid ounces, so I really don't need that much. I got 2 bath towels, 1 to use and 1 that will be in the dirty clothes. Pretty self-explanatory. And I got white because they match my colors. Okay, then I also got these desk organizers. They're just like little cubbies that you can put in my desk drawers and on top of my desk, just to keep me more organized and so that stuff isn't just rolling around in my desk drawers. So that's pretty efficient. And I got this teeny tiny little alarm clock. I use my phone for an alarm clock, but sometimes in the middle of the night I'll wake up and be like, what time is it? And I don't want to reach my phone or like touch my phone because like the blue light, you know, so it's just easier to have a little alarm clock with you. Tape. Then I got this stapler, hole puncher and stapler remover set. A nail care kit. So it has 2 nail clippers, a file, tweezers, and whatever this thing is. I don't know what that does. Who knows? I got this for the bathroom because I know that I'll have a little bit of space in the bathroom, and so I want something to hold my stuff in. Some hand towels for the bathroom as well. And everything that I took out of this is a little plastic dresser thing that I'm going to take also, just to hold extra clothes or anything that I need. I just need as much storage as I could possibly get because the dresser that they gave me is literally like this wide and this tall. So there's not a lot of room to work with, and so I want to have as much storage as I possibly can so that I am prepared for everything that I have to store. So next is these mixing bowls. There are 4 of them, and they're super cute, and they can go in the microwave, so this can hold leftovers, and if I want to put it in the microwave, I can. Next, I'm actually really excited about this. This is my lamp, my desk lamp. So it charges, it's a wireless charger, and it also has a bacteria light, so it kills bacteria on your desk. They have 3 settings, which is just the regular light, only the bacteria light, and then they have both. And each setting has 3 brightness opacities, I think is how you would say that. So it's pretty cool. I'm excited for this one. Then I got some kitchen knives just in case I want to cut something up. I don't think I'm going to be doing that a lot, but I guess you never know. And they're very pretty, as you can see. And then this is my garbage can. I have to bring my own garbage can. So I just brought a basic white one that I can just like pop in my closet, you know. So, and a bunch of garbage bags to take with me, which is awesome. Okay, and the last thing we got is a mirror, over the door mirror, because I won't have any room to put it on my floor, so it'll be an over the door mirror. And I'm really hoping, crossing my fingers, that my roommate didn't get a mirror also, so we can just use this one and hang it on the back of our door. Otherwise we're gonna run into a little bit of a problem, but there's my mirror. Okay, and I wanted to show you a little sneak peek of what's in my backpack so far. Obviously I don't have everything that I'm gonna need, but I do have stuff left over from high school that I can use, and so I wanted to show you a little bit of what I've got. So first, I've got my laptop in my laptop case holder. I've heard that it's super important to protect your laptop as much as possible when it's in your backpack, so I think I'm gonna carry it around in its case always, even when it's in my backpack, just to be safe and so that it doesn't get broken. Here's my laptop. I got it for graduation. It's a MacBook Pro, I think. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Oh, MacBook Air. My bad. MacBook Air. My dad got me this external hard drive, so it has a few USB imports, and it also still has the charging capabilities while it's out, and then it has a memory card reader. There you go. So that's cool. And then I also just have the charger, obviously. Then I just have a stack of folders that I didn't use or were super lightly used when I was in high school, and I figured I could just keep my papers in that for each of my classes. And then I have this notebook that I basically never used in high school, and these are my favorite notebooks, and so I figured it would be nice to have. Obviously, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna need yet for all of my classes, and so this is kind of just a just-in-case situation. So if I ever need a notebook for any of my classes, I already have one, and that saves me some money on a notebook. And then I also have this pencil pouch. It goes this way, just to put pencils and markers and all that stuff if I ever need it for any of my classes, and I need it in my backpack. That's all from my backpack. This is my comforter. I got this one online, also from Walmart, so pretty much everything I got was from Walmart, which I actually love because I got it all in one place. And we got it on sale, like way on sale, so, but that is all. Okay guys, it's August 15th and it's day 2 of college shopping. I wasn't like originally gonna do this shopping until I got to Ephraim, but I was talking to my cousin who has already moved down to her school, and she said that she got like all of her refills, like body wash and shampoo and conditioner, just so that when she's a broke college student like I'm gonna be, she has refills to keep going until she has enough money to actually buy those things. So that's the plan for today. I have a shopping list and everything. Ethan's coming with me because he wanted to come shopping with me So we're gonna do that. We're making it like a little bit of a date. I'm gonna go pick Ethan up in a little bit and come along with me.
Guys, we're matching. There we go.
I got
And she got the shampoo.
shampoo and conditioner.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, wow, look.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Come with us.
Hi, guys. Alright, guys. Going into the Big W. At the Walmart game. Get a card. Guys, the sweetest old guy just came up to us and told us that we look complimentary. Like,
I don't even know what that means.
yeah, I'm kind of. Maybe he's just shipping us or something. Or what is this? What is that?
What you doing?
I just got my fanny pack. This isn't how you're supposed to wear it, but this isn't even a fanny pack. It's like a phone holder. Can you loosen it for me?
No.
Because the girls wear it like over their whole body, but this is like just like a. It's not. Wait.
Nice. That's not.
That's kind of better.
I tired him out.
It's okay. We'll play racquetball
we're
afterwards.
done.
We have a lot of stuff, so.
Yay.
Ready?
Please be careful. Okay. How's it going?
Oh, whoa. Hello. Yeah, I'm Girl Boss. I got I got 4 bags. And a pillow.
It was came to $203.24.
Money's.
We only went like $9 over.
Not bad. We did good.
So
And tax was a lot too. So technically, without tax, we didn't go over.
we went up. Go Baes.
You can't even like. I'm gonna break stuff. There we go. Works.
Basically, I'm really annoyed because I thought I filmed that whole thing, but apparently I didn't. So I'm doing this whole thing again. It's later in the night. I just got back from work and I feel like crap, which is one of the reasons why I'm so annoyed. So I'm gonna rush through what I got real quick just to show you everything. The total of everything that I got came to about $203, but we can take out a few things because I got some personal things like a birthday present for my niece and sunglasses and something else. I don't remember. But so I got this throw pillow. It's super soft and super nice and I'm excited to put it on my college bed and I hope it matches my comforter. So these are the pads that I use. I promise I just barely got these today. My dog found them, which is another reason why I'm annoyed. So yeah, she ripped up 2 pads and the box. So, but these are the pads I like. I use size 1 because you can barely even tell that they're there. They're super flexible. I use them when I even played lacrosse and they didn't bug me at all. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend those. And they smell really nice. They keep you smelling fresh. These are the tampons I use. I use both super and regular, but it just depends on which one I buy. Yeah, I love the Playtex Sport ones. And I get panty liners. I don't really have a specific brand that I like. I just get them in bulk because, you know, I like to use these the most. So there you go, just panty liners. And I got 2 little boxes of tissues just to have, you know, I don't really use tissues unless I'm sick, so. And then I got disinfectant Lysol wipes to clean my desk and everything like that, keep it clean. And then I got this moisturizer. This is the stuff that I use on my body and on my legs after I shave. Keeps me super smooth and my skin is super sensitive and super dry, so this helps a lot. This is a facial cleanser that I used to use. I now use the acne one from CeraVe, but it doesn't help my face. And this one, when I used it, was super gentle and at least kept me from breaking out. So I'm trying this one. And then this is the face moisturizer I use. There it is. Then I got 2 of the same body wash because I'm already out of body wash. The Hawaii Luau from Soft Soap. I've used this brand before and I know that it's good, and this smells good. So there you go. These two I got from Target. It's the Raw Sugar. This one's the Moisture Smooth Shampoo, and this one's the Bounce Back Conditioner. I've used this conditioner. It smells so freaking good. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm hoping that it works out. I'll let you know if it doesn't, but yeah, they both smell super good, so I'm excited about that. Got some mouthwash and some toothpaste. And then this is the planner that I got. I really wanted a paper planner. This one is super nice because it has the month laid out in a calendar version, and then it lays out the days so that you can put more notes on each day, which I think will be nice. And it also has more note pages in the back of each month for more notes if you need. It also has contact pages, which I'm planning on putting my professor's information in here just so that I always know where it's going to be if I ever need it. So yeah, but there's my planner. I got a traveling toothbrush holder for when I come home. And then I got these flip it toothbrush cover with suction cups so you can stick them to like the mirror or whatever for when I'm at school, just to keep my toothbrush clean because I don't know anybody that I'm going with and I don't share DNA with them. So I really want to keep my DNA, you know what I'm saying? So then I got disposable razors because that's what I use to shave. And then I got, this is the stuff that I use on my brows to keep them like stiff and make them stay all day. So it's really useful. And then I have this one as well, which is the other thing that I use on my eyebrows, which I love. I love this one a lot. Then I got Wet n Wild blush. This one's like got like gold sparkles in it. Then I got a blush brush because I've never used blush, but I want to start because I feel like it would just like make me look more alive. You know what I'm saying? So I use the telescopic mascara. This is the Blackest Black one. I think that's the one that I use, but I don't know for sure. So I just got a refill of it. And then I got 3 Sharpie markers because you never know when you're going to need a Sharpie. And I'm out. So I got a purse because mine broke and I needed a new one. And this one looks like it'll actually stay together. So there you go. This cute little jewelry holder. You can like hang necklaces on these and then hang earrings on these. So very excited about that one. It's so cute. I got 2 packs of earrings. This one I just got normal studs because all of my studs I've either lost the backs or they're bent and dirty, so I got new studs. And then I also got these cute new ones, which I'm excited for because they're just like super simple but also like more fancy than just studs. So that's all I got for my college haul. I am officially done shopping in West Jordan. The next time I go shopping for school, it's going to be in Ephraim, so keep you updated on that. But I gotta go pack all this stuff away because there's not enough room in my room for all this. I'm gonna call it a night, but thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!